Why do I love to go on walks out here in good old nature? Cause hey, it's peaceful. I get to listen to my music with my earbuds and all, and also I get to like check out a story on my phone, even though I gotta pay attention because it's also a bike trail. But yeah, walking in nature is peaceful. To be surrounded by the natural sounds of Mother Nature, really. It just helps. It helps a lot. Taking a walk helps me clear my mind sometimes. It's also my form of exercise that I like to do a lot. So yeah, go out for a walk in nature, enjoy the sounds, the sights, the animals, and all that.